Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva like Photoshop for beginners. We'll start by exploring Canva's user-friendly interface, which makes photo editing accessible to everyone. You'll learn to easily upload your images and resize them to fit your needs, whether for social media or print. We'll also cover essential adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and saturation, giving your photos a quick visual boost. Finally, master the art of cropping to perfectly frame your subjects. Next, let's dive into more advanced techniques that truly mimic professional software. You'll discover how to work with layers, allowing you to combine several images and text elements into one cohesive design. We'll explore applying various filters and effects to give your photos a unique look. Plus, learn the magic of one-click background removal and how to adjust transparency for smooth blending, adding depth to your creations. Now, let's bring your designs to life by integrating text and graphics. Canva offers thousands of fonts and styles, allowing you to add compelling messages. You can easily incorporate graphic elements from its extensive library, enhancing your visual storytelling. Learn to group elements for effortless manipulation, moving and scaling them as one unit. We'll also cover precise alignment, ensuring your layout looks polished and professional every time. Finally, it's time to share your incredible creations with the world. We'll guide you through choosing the best file format, whether it's a high-resolution PNG for print, a compressed JPG for web, or a multi-page PDF. Understand how resolution impacts quality for different uses. You'll also learn to share your designs directly from Canva to various platforms, and importantly, how to save your work for easy access and future modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.